In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an admin or team member in HoneyBook. Whether you're expanding your business or simply looking to manage your workflow more efficiently, adding team members or admins is a crucial step in building a collaborative environment. Let's dive right into it. First things first, you want to head over to HoneyBook's website, which you can easily access by typing honeybook.com into your web browser. Once there, sign in using your credentials. Make sure you use the right username and password to avoid any login issues. It's always a good idea to keep your login information secure, so if you're using a shared computer, remember to log out after your session. Now that you're logged in, look to the top right corner of your screen where you'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. This will bring up a drop-down menu. In this menu, you'll find an option labeled Company Settings. Selecting this option will take you to where we need to be to start adding team members. Once you're in the company settings, direct yourself to the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you'll see a variety of options available to manage different aspects of your HoneyBook account. Look for the option that says Team and click on it. This will open up the specific section where you can view and manage your team members. You're almost there. In the team section, you'll find a button labeled Invite. This is your gateway to adding new team members to your HoneyBook account. Click on Invite, and you'll be prompted to enter some important details about the person you want to add. Specifically, you'll need their name and email address. This ensures that the invitation reaches the right person and allows them to set up their profile on HoneyBook effectively. Once you've entered the name and email address, double check that everything is typed correctly to avoid any miscommunication or errors. It's always a good idea to confirm the details with the person you're inviting before sending it off. And there you go. You've successfully invited a new admin or team member to your HoneyBook account. They will receive an email inviting them to join your team and contribute according to the permissions you set. Remember, this is a powerful way to streamline your operations by allowing collaboration among team members. With these simple steps, you can enhance your team's productivity and ensure that everyone is working in sync, contributing to your project's success. Thanks for watching, and if this video was helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more. Until next time, happy organizing!